Hi, I'm John Hazzard, and for me, it's all about food. A strawberry daiquiri. On my last show I would have done a classic daiquiri, but today we're going to do the classic daiquiri, but we're going to add strawberry to it to give it another flavor component. So again, a very simple cocktail. We're going to use white rum. We're using Monterey Silver from here in Barbados, lime juice, simple syrup, and strawberry puree. So let's get started. So we're going to take 2 ounces of the Monterey Silver and pour into our jigger. There we go. From here we're going to go half an ounce of lime juice. So half an ounce on the jigger right here. Then we're going to go half an ounce of simple syrup right in here as well. And we're going to also do half an ounce of strawberry puree. And we're going to add that right in here. This one is the finest call. Good, half an ounce of that. And then in the other tin of the Boston shaker, we're going to add some ice. So we can shake away. There we go. And then we're going to pour the mixture into here. Give it a good tap. And then let's now shake it. There we go. There we go. And we're going to go ahead now and double strain this now into our Martini glass. So I'm going to double strain this now right in here. And that looks absolutely delicious. Oh, I love the color. There we go. There we go. And I don't have a strawberry to garnish. You should garnish with a strawberry, because that's the flavor of the daiquiri we're making. But what I will do is to garnish with a wedge of lime, since I have no strawberry. So let's just garnish with that. You can add the wedge of lime right on here. So there you have it. So that is our strawberry daiquiri in no time at all. Let's just go ahead and taste. That is a lovely cocktail. So delicious. So if you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like, subscribe, ring the bell. And again, I'm John Hazzard, and for me it's all about food, but today it's all about the strawberry daiquiri. Let's just give this amazing drink one last taste. That is delicious. So I'll see you next time on All About Food.